into high school. I guess I didn't really know what I wanted to do, so I go in and talk to the guidance counselor, and she says, oh, there's aviation. I might as well take it, might as well fill up the schedule. And I mean, I remember leaving that classroom that day thinking, you know what, this could be pretty great. This could be what I want to do in my future and with my life. And then I'm gonna open up the throttle. The school has helped me towards the goal of going to the airlines and becoming a professional pilot in a lot of different ways. It's provided me with flight time through grant money, and it's provided me with opportunities to talk to other pilots and other people who are on the same goal path.
I met our work-based learning advisor, and I decided to take a few of her classes because she was the business teacher, and I got certified in Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. And she said, I have an opportunity for you. Let me send you a link to this application for H&R Block. So I applied. When I got to do my first tax return and really sit down with it and work and put in the different forms for people, that hands-on experience really made me fall in love with the career. So meticulous, it's like an art form. And that's when I decided I wanted to go into business. It's truly incredible, the program of work-based learning in itself, allowing kids to get out into the workforce during the school day, allowing them to search for their future career and get real-world experiences. It's something I feel like all high schools need.
Freshman year, you're coming in, you have no clue what these CTE classes are, what they stand for, what they're going to help you with, but they really lay it out. You know when you join this class what to expect.
Go and tell us what your short-term goals would be. Short-term being within the next year, long-term being ideally 3 to 5 years from there.
We talked about what could happen at the next level. If we didn't have such a great CTE program and teachers that, you know, push us to our limits, I'd probably just be looking at going to work right after high school. No experience. When the opportunity presents itself for you to figure out what you're going to do with your life, you better jump on it. I'm thankful for all my advisors, my CTE director, my counselors. They've just really pushed me to the max. They just help your goals.
My clinical instructor, we had a conversation, and she was like, I think clinical internship would be good for you. I think you're gonna learn a lot. I got certified as a medical assistant before graduating high school, along with getting my BLS certification, which is CPR. Like, I learned so much that most people don't get to experience until they're halfway through college. So as I go into nursing school, I already know most things, and I'm so comfortable, and it's easier to learn. I'm a lifeguard at the YMCA, and a man collapsed in the men's locker room, and I knew he didn't have a pulse. I just had no hesitation, and I just immediately started CPR. The doctor actually came in and told him he's a walking miracle. I remember going into the hospital to see him, and like it was just like we felt so like bonded. And I shared with him like I lost my dad when I was 10. He talks to me every day. He checks on me. He's paying my college tuition in full. I now want to be an ER nurse and eventually a nurse practitioner, and I never thought I would say those words.